Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So yesterday was me and my boyfriend's anniversary. We went out. We went to a couple of plant shops, and then we went out to like this dinner event show thing, and it was a lot of fun. So yeah, I took some clips. I'm gonna just link them all together, throw some music over it, show you a little bit of the dinner stuff, and then at the end, me and him are gonna do like a little haul of the things we got today. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like and the notification, leave a comment if you have ever been to these places, and yeah, alrighty, see ya in a little bit. Hey guys, we're back. It's actually the next day. We got home really late and just went to bed. But we went to, as you saw in the clips earlier, we went to a bunch of plant shops. We first went to a plant shop in the city, but I didn't film there because something crazy happened right before that. I'm not going to get into details, but I was just like, I'm not pulling out my camera yet. I was like, oh, apparently I have a new nightmare now. So, I don't even know. You know, peripherals were designed for, like, evolution to, like, you know, make sure you're not getting attacked by a bear or a saber-tooth tiger. But, you know, when there's something you don't want to see, but something moves and you look and you're like, oh my god, I shouldn't have saw that. And, yeah, that happened twice actually yesterday. We'll talk about the second time later. Anyway, I have a box of plants. And I only bought plants at for you guys, it was the second plant shop that I filmed. It was Alpine Nursery and Garden Center. And originally, I planned this trip like not buying any plants. I was going to be good, not spend any money. And then I saw their succulent section. And I've been on like a succulent kick. So I bought some succulents. So the first one I was definitely going to buy was this one. It's a type of wisteria. It looks like it has to be a wisteria. It's like a solid green color. But yeah, I don't think I have this one, so I saw this one, and it's so large. It has all of like these babies, so I was definitely getting it. These guys were $12.99 for a 6-inch pot, and we showed up right as they were watering them, which kind of makes me a little nervous because my house is not a greenhouse, and these were in a greenhouse. So I'm gonna put them by a hot grow light and kind of help them dry out, so hopefully they don't rot. Now the next two, I was contemplating whether or not to buy, and then my boyfriend said, just get both, and so I did.
All three. Yeah.
Well, all three, yeah. He said, just buy all three, and I guess I was taking too long sitting there staring at them, and he's like, just take them. And so the first one, I'm not sure if I have this wisteria, but it's a spotted wisteria. I hope you can see. There's also a bunch of leaves and other plants growing in here. All of their succulents, if you saw in the video, were like scrunched up real close to each other. So I feel like I've got a couple bonus plants in here. I'll do a video like pulling all these plants out and stuff like that. But this guy also was flowering. I hope you could see the flowers. I have no idea, but they're little white flowers with like a brownish green stem. Some of them haven't even bloomed yet. So that's really cool. So we have that one. And then the last one is also a plant that I might have already, but YOLO, is this wisteria. This might be like the little warty, and I think I already have I might have like 2 of these already, but it looks different. It's like very uniformly spotted. Maybe it's just in my head. I'm like, no, it's definitely different. It's definitely different. And it's totally different, yeah. But there's a bunch of little babies in there and other plants. I don't know what these other little plants are. So I'll pull those out, put them in a pot. Maybe it's like a mother of millions. I think they had that there. I'm not 100% sure. I don't really know the difference between the millions and the thousands. But, yeah, so those are the 3 plants that I bought.
What about the numbers? The millions and thousands, what's the difference?
I don't know. I guess it's the type, how many, like, babies they put off. Like, some put off, like, I don't think it's, like, thousands and a million, but there's significantly more babies. I don't know. If any of you guys know the difference between a mother of thousands and a mother of millions, I guess let us know in the comments below. So those are the plants that I bought. And then at the dinner, we went to Medieval Times. Ta-da! It was a lot of fun. They don't give you any utensils. Like, I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I should have, but like, I don't know. I guess I'm just used to forks.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Eating with my hands felt very barbaric.
Yeah. And,
it was an immersive feeling.
Yes.
Immersive experience.
Yes. It was a lot of fun. It's like a show and like how did you describe it?
It was a mix between...
Was it a horse show?
A horse show and wrestling.
Yeah.
You know, like very the theatrics involved. But yeah.
It was a lot of fun, and I guess if you're gonna bring kids, first off, make sure they can pull meat off of the bone, because the other little peripheral story I experienced was this little boy. He was probably like 7 or 8, and there was movement to the side. It was right after we just ate dinner, and I look over and he's just vomiting. And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, you know, peripherals, they're good for, like, out in the wilderness. But, like, in society, it's just, you just see things you don't need to see. So, yeah.
There is no kids meals. The
Yes.
same portions for adults and children. I was full, I didn't finish my food.
I couldn't finish it either, and that little boy must have just shoved it all in his mouth in excitement and then just vomited. But anyway, Rob got a little thingamabobber.
At first I wanted a drinking horn. It was this horn that had a stand and everything. It was $40. I was just like, this is not... I have other cups I don't ever drink out of. So it wasn't worth it. But so I spent about $50 on something, box. We got
Like
unboxing.
this.
I know these people now.
He's got a YouTube unboxing. It's not a plant. But I'm sure plant people have significant others, and they may or may not like these things, but it's fun. This is what it looks like in the box. Ooh, covered in plastic.
Yeah, the tassel showing.
With the tassel. Yeah, lean forward. Yeah. We got a little dagger. It's cute. It's got like a blue. You guys can see it, I think. Yeah, there's blue on the inside. There's like this little chain thingamabobbers. It's cute. It's silver with like a little hint of like bronze in it.
It's supposed to be a safety for the sheath.
Yeah.
I
don't think the safety works.
I think I got a broken safety.
Oh. Maybe. The guy, when we did buy it, said the safety is like sensitive.
Yeah, he said worst case scenario, there is no safety.
Right.
It won't get stuck in there.
Right. So it's not like sharpened or anything. The point is sharp, but the sides are not sharp. They have a whole bunch of different type of swords, and the dogs are barking. Hey! They're not gonna stop. Alright guys, so we just had some nieces and nephews, or nephew, come over. They stole our crowns. It's okay.
Several hour-long distraction.
Yes. So it's been hours.
Life happened.
The sun has moved. And yeah, we basically showed you everything. We showed you guys the plants. We showed you the dagger. And yeah, that's it. This is almost. She's being cute. She wants some attention. And yeah, let us know what you thought of our little day out. What plants did you see in the nurseries that stood out to you? And how do you like the plants that I picked up? If you know what any of the little side plants are, like the little extra freebies that started growing, let me know in the comments below. And that's it. So until next time, relax, plants. Peace out.